they build a partnership of multiple jurisdictions and multiple agencies to address the conservation challenges that we face today. The things that we're dealing with in conservation today, the problems are large enough or complex enough that no single agency can really handle them. So through the LCCs, you create a collaborative environment and bring resources and expertise from many different areas to bear on the most important problems. That it really brings together partners in a highly complex environment. When you think about the range of habitats and landscapes from the barrier islands, the coastal marshes, up through the oaks and prairies, there's just a lot of different challenges that are faced there. And by bringing together the Landscape Conservation Cooperative, all of the parties that are involved and have interconnected responsibilities can coordinate through that. What the Wildlife Management Institute brings to the Landscape Conservation Cooperatives is about 100 years of experience in managing science projects and working with diverse partnerships to pool resources and administer those funds in a way that maximizes the benefit to conservation. Wildlife Management Institute is managing 4 separate grants for the Gulf Coast Prairie LCC. One of those focuses on improving our ability to map and analyze landscape attributes using remote sensing. Another one is looking at the distribution of coastal marsh areas that are particularly important for birds like whooping cranes that will be significantly affected by sea level rise over the next 20 to 40 years. Another project is looking at riparian corridors. Much of the Southwest is, and the Gulf Coast Prairie area is very dry. So those areas along streams and rivers provide unique habitats and are important migratory corridors for a number of different types of animals. So we are funding a project that's looking at how those habitats have been changed over time and what sort of actions can restore natural function to those. I think the landscape conservation cooperatives are essential to addressing the conservation challenges we have today because, as I said, the issues are so broad that it requires participation and cooperation among a wide range of partners. The LCCs create the mechanism and the framework for those partners to work together effectively.